125, the support system. Are you with her?
Yes.
Hi, you are so cute. You're like a small doll. Hi, hello.
Hello.
Anong pangalan mo?
Raiden Suela Dian.
Ilang taon ka na? Is that 4 years old? Okay. Anong talent mo today na ipapakita sa amin?
Kanta.
Kanta? Is she going to sing? Okay, she's going to sing, so you'll be needing a microphone with you. Are you ready to sing now? Hold your microphone. All right. Are you ready to sing now?
Sabi.
What's that?
Kakantahin ko ay Favorite Girl.
Oo. Tama. You move here. Move here. Little star. Okay. We're gonna let you sing now. Give us your best performance, okay? Because you have your family right there. Okay, everyone, this is number 125. Take it away. Again, this is number 125, and she's going to sing for us. She has a very big ribbon right there. Okay, let me talk to you first. Sino ba yung mga nandun? Sino sila?
Ako and si Mama.
Si Tita and Mami. Nasaan dyan si Mami? Tawagin mo nga si Mami. Turo mo nga si Mami. Ayun si Mami. O, saan si Tita? Sabi mo, hi Tita.
Hi, Tita.
Wow. Okay, we are going to let you perform now, ha? Galingan mo kasi nandun si Mami at si Tita. Take it away.
Lamit ko talaga. Kaya ako aware of this outgoing now. Sabi there and over because I'm show. You know, necessary. How good without me. Ineder, easy what you do to me. Yawang tigina. Hindi overall.
Thank you very much. Good job. High five. Okay, you may now go back to your Mommy and Tita right there on the side. Okay, do we have number 126? 126? 126, how about 127? We have number 127. 127. 128. I'm seeing number 128. Please come up here now.
Galing ni Sabi
This is number 128.
Nag-Chinese ka, Sabi
Hi!
Galing kaya ka ng
How are you doing? Kamusta ka?
Bibila ko mamaya yung chocolate si Sabi.
Kamusta ka?
Ano to? Plural to.
Anong pangalan
Wala na?
mo?
Ubus na?
Alicia Jane
Tawa ko yung
Alicia,
Sabi.
you're 4 years old. Okay, you are 5 years old. Okay, who are you with? Are you with mommy, daddy, ate, or kuya?
First sumigaw ko sabi niya, are you ready?
Kasama mo ba si mommy or daddy o kaya si ate o si kuya?
Ate ko.
Asan si ate? Ayun si ate. Ang ganda-ganda naman ng damit mo. Sa'yo ba to? Ano bang color to? Is that your favorite color? Pink is your favorite color, but you're wearing red, ate. What happened? Okay, are you ready to dance now?
Yeah.
Are you sure you know how to dance?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see it. This is number 128, Alicia. Take it away.